How to view hidden files on your Mac? It's very easy. Go to your Finder. The Finder will be in the dock on the left side. It is always there. Click on it and then go to the folder you want to view hidden files in. For example, I'll go to my own profile, and in my profile, if I want to see hidden files, I'm going to press Command plus Shift plus dot or period, and here you can see all the grayed out files are actually your hidden files. So these files obviously take up space, but these are hidden for a reason. Maybe it does not need to have your attention. Some may be suspicious, some may not be. But if you want to hide them again, you can press Command plus Shift plus dot again, and it is going to go away. You can also use the terminal for this. For that, open up terminal. You can just use Spotlight search, type in terminal, or you can also go to the applications and then open terminal. In terminal, you want to write defaults. So that is how you view hidden files on Mac. You can use the terminal. If you want to check that video out, you can let me know as well. Hidden files, you need not want to access all the time. If they're hidden on purpose, sure, they may be suspicious. If they're not, if they're system files, please don't tamper with them. It may cause some issues, and well, you may need to format your Mac at the most extreme case, but don't mess around with it. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.